all know that automation is valuable to your business. We also know that automation is both hard and expensive, right? It's hard because you need a developer who can write code, or it's expensive because you end up buying a point solution that can only automate one part of your business.
Yeah, at Cognitos, we have built the world's most advanced AI system that can understand plain English, and it can automate business processes for you, right? So if you have any manual process that you're running in your business, you can automate it through Cognitos. So here we have the action bar. The action bar is where you go and do stuff for your business. Business users use natural language, plain English, to describe the automations. Our AI system understands that and creates automations out of it. So let's just jump right in. What we are going to do is automate invoices using plain English. Instead of getting a point solution or a developer or endless drag and drops, the state of AI has moved to the point where a machine can start understanding what the human wants to do. First step, you want to upload an invoice. I have invoices here, so I upload one invoice. Now our front end converts that into natural language that the brain can understand. That's the brain. It has some mood swings once in a while, just like a developer. OK, next step, you normally do analysis. So you want to analyze the file as an invoice, and you tell the brain to do that. Now, that's typically what I would have told an intern, hey, look at the invoice and figure out what's data inside. I can click on the facts that it has figured out. This is the data it's gathered from there, all sorts of data, including address and so on. Next step, you want to figure out where should the data from the invoice go. Now, I would tell my intern, hey, put it in this database, put it in a spreadsheet. So to show it live here, I have a spreadsheet. Let me bring that into view. OK, this is an empty spreadsheet that I created for my intern. 4 columns to fill in. Now, typically, I would give the location of the spreadsheet to my intern. So that's what I want to do here. Get the worksheet at, that's the URL. And I'm telling the brain, get the worksheet. It's located at this position. Like a human, our AI system looks at the worksheet. Oh, these are the columns. Now it's ready. It's done. Next step. This is the hardest step. You want to add the invoice as a row in the worksheet. A human understands that. No machine till date can understand that. Our brain uses AI, looks at the destination source, figures out what makes sense. It's actually already done it.
Yeah, Binny, and if you look at the phrases here, everybody in this room, myself included, can read them and understand them, right?
And that's the benefit of it. This is the first time in history that the same program can be run by an intern, a human, and the machine. There's no difference. So now we started off with an example. To make it repeatable, you say, let's create a procedure out of it, right? Okay. And what would you like to name it?
Something creative, process an invoice.
All right. So you want to process an invoice. That's the name. Now, you can share this invoice with your colleagues or simply click public and make it available in the action bar. This is Heather now. She wants to process an invoice. It says it's not there, but now it's there. And she can quickly click and run. And it'll ask a question. There you go. It asks, hey, I don't know the file. And we upload a file. This time, I'll give a different file. All right? This different file does not have a purchase order. Normal automation systems normally crash and burn when there's something unusual. The brain asks that question. We did not spend any time creating forms or drag and drop widget. What would you like to put in there?
We used to do 999 as kind of a generic placeholder.
OK. That's a nice PO number. Do you always do that?
We did, yeah.
OK. So then you click on remember. And just like I tell a human, remember this from now on. You can also tell the Cognitos brain, remember this, and it'll go and continue to do that. Next time it faces that issue, it won't bother you ever again. We've just described one aspect of what our system can do, document processing. There's a growing list of back-end solutions and integrations that we are able to do.
Excellent. So one automation platform for the entire business. Please join us in building the future of business automation. We would very much appreciate your vote for Best in Show, and I think we beat the bell. Thank you very much.
Thank you.